Good morning, it's Tracy here from Uniquely Creative showing you our brand new mini kit. It is this one here. It is called Spring. So this is the kit. It is really adorable. It's got these gorgeous little bears on it, and let me show you what's in the kit. Okay, so you get the little stamp which has got, you know, spring's the season, the gorgeous little bears, the little lemonade stand. It's so cute. This is the laser cut, big hugs, all the florals, your fussy cutting die. This is the add-on die. It's this gorgeous arch. It cuts out a frame as well as all the stitch arches. And these are the cute little pattern papers that come in this kit. So they're really small print, perfect for card making. Just love them. And a really cute color palette. And here is your mini cut apart sheet that comes in the kit, and of course the book. Let me show you some of the cards. This is the largest arch, the cute little lemonade stand. These are Ashley's, just adorable. Big hugs. Look at the babies, aren't they cute? Really beautiful cards. Let me show you some of the ones that DT have made. Cute embossing folder in the background there. Love that little sim line by the other Ashley. How bright and beautiful and bold are they? Gorgeous. Really great ideas and really fun set. And you can see the team have really loved using that stitched arch die because you can have the frame obviously and mount that up and set everything back, or you can use all the individual arches. So that's it. Spring is now on sale and you can jump online and order this one today. Thanks so much, guys. Till next time. Bye.